Hey guys, hope you're doing good. Today I'll tell you how to make a thumbnail. So first let's learn what a thumbnail is. So let's look at this game. It's a Super Mario Bros. Game, and let's just see I'm a random person scrolling around the game. And I see this, and I want to click on it. So that's what a thumbnail is. A thumbnail is a thing that people like and it will attract more people. So let's make a thumbnail. I'm gonna use it on this project because yeah, it's one of my best projects ever. It's like this galaxy thing. So besides that, let's tell you how to make a thumbnail. So you click choose a sprite and make paint. And just name the sprite thumbnail. I'll just draw a big square so it covers the whole thing. I think I'm gonna do a little white texture because mine's galaxy. And then you could type some text out. All I'm gonna do is just write Galaxy and maybe change the font a little bit. Maybe make the size big. Oh, what happened there? Or maybe just do something fun. So yeah, wait a second. For some reason this is really weird. Okay, yeah, Galaxy. And then you can just make it big. And let's get on to the code. And you just click the code tab. Events. When WinFlat clicked, go to X00 just to make sure. You can click on that and then it will secure it to X00. And then go to looks, go to front layer. Now it's in like the front layer. Now you can simply click hide. So you might be wondering, how do I check this? So you just go like this, and then whenever you see the project again, like Galaxy, you'll always see that. So yeah, that's how you make a very efficient and very easy thumbnail. I hope you like it. Bye!